angisho ngile ngasho ukuthi mina la ngihamba khona ngiphatha aba star player ngiphatha Captain Fantastic. Please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu egama lakho nesibongo sakho and the team that you were playing for today.
Okay, sanibonani. Ngibingelele kuyo wonke umuntu. Igama lami uThola Inkosi Sibongo nguKhumalo. Nickname University of KwaZulu Natal. UKZN ngidlalela i-Dream Team. Ngize ngayo kule team.
Okay. So mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi libuya phi igama la ka UKZN.
Igama la ka UKZN kahle kahle libuya kuJomo commentator. Ayiyangipha legama yaqala ngipha la kaKalawa.
Okay.
Thema ngilokhu ngikhula until kahle kahle makangitshela naye ukuthi legama livelaphi. Wangitshela ukuthi angithi ngikhulele ngapha ku development eKaizer Chiefs. Then ngahamba ngayodlala eKZN. Mangifike eKZN ngishuthi ibhola lami la change. Shoot mal change yena ubona ngathi la iJozi bekuseclassini mase ngifika ngale seku university. Mase ngibuya la ekhaya sekashuthi ibhola lami seli right lineziqo. Waswangiphala lo gama at University of KwaZulu Natal.
No, ntwem. Okay, so wena what motivated you to play football?
Sikakangobese ngiphume eKatlong. Ngikhule ngibukela uSikakangobese uye ngisho kanjalo. But best player yami bekude Komdise.
Alright.
Just uSikaka bengimfavor ngoba ilokishi.
Alright. So overall performance team yakho namhlanje as a captain ungayirate kanjani? Like bobhekile team yakho ndidlala kanjani?
Ngasho ukuthi asibanga la kumele sibe khona but sizamile ukuba manager because first half sicale kahle first 15 minutes saya kubo sa dropa sabheka ukuthi okay ngoba kusabantu esijwayele ukudlala against bona thina siyaqala ukudlala sodwa so kumele sibambe ibhola before befika siphume ngalo singadlali singalirush ngoba ne ground bel against wonke umuntu angeke ngithi against thina against bona because sonke besidlala ephishini e1 angeke ngithi bel favor one just sibe discipline sa switch on sa TCN as I crowd be against thina marigcine sesithanda.
Okay. So nilena na kuma penalty.
Yes, sasile kuma penalty phele ngenot so sitholile chance bayitholile chance net azange sikapitalize azange ba capitalize then masema penalty ya decide abo goalkeeper to goalkeeper wethu aba better than wabo. That's why sigcine seswini.
Win, right? Okay, so mawubhekile wena i-team yakho team not winner as a whole. Men ungasho ukuthi yini into enmotivateayo for you guys to keep on pushing?
Into esimotivateayo lokuthi yonke into ingenzeka.
Okay.
You can't judge ukuthi udlala against obani leyo nto ayisebenzi. Kusebenza i-performance of the day. Wa performa kahle ungadlala even against iSundowns uyithatha uyilethela or iPirate Chiefs wena wa performa kahle ngalelo langa uzowina igame. Ubona ukuthi bane history edlala udlala performance. So wa performa kahle kulelo langa uwina igame. Nanoma udlala against uMessi unayo yonke into yebhola emhlabeni but ngalelo 90 minutes idimanda ngalelo 90 minutes kuwena wenzani mawungenza kahle daniyena kuleyo game uwin igame nawe so ne history njengoba nani history ukuthi soke wawina against uMessi.
Okay, oh nice. Let me not hold you for long because uyasho ukuthi you are going yabo word of the day.
Into ngabatshela igama engingalisho nje ukuthi ungaphela umoya kibo bonke nalabo bahlala phansi ngegama lakho bakhuluma inkinga nabe inkinga zaba bazazi wena zilungisa ufocus mawuhluleka cala phansi ungathi ubani wenze lento enye into engayisho ungazicompare nentanga zakho indlela esihamba ayifani bangafika le wena usitshela ukuthi angeke kusenzeka kanti wonke umuntu unesikhathi sakhe.
Thank you for your time.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nawe.
Sharp.